That's what you look for in other collaborators as well, is more of the human being quality than the sort of technical.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, whether you, in contract, have the right of final cut, for example, or you have the right to cast anybody that you feel is the right person, assuming that the money is possible. There are many ways to get around a contract. It will not really protect you. I mean, there are many producers, I won't mention any names, like the Weinsteins, but I won't. And you know, where they have a secret editing room where they're editing the movie while you're editing your version of the movie. And of course that's very easy to do now digitally, more than before. And you know that they don't really care what you're doing. They are going to present their own version of the movie. That's never happened to me, but it's because I haven't, you know, you don't work with people that you think you're going to run into that kind of problem with.